Hello. Something a lot of customers I have that use Mac don't realize is that there's more applications on their computer than just what's on the dock. A lot of people don't even know what the applications folder is or where to find it. They think that if it's not on the dock, they don't have it. So, I wanted to show you guys just some easy ways to find your other applications. Uh, my favorite is to click on when you're at the Finder. So I would tell people, click on your desktop background. That's easiest to get into the Finder window mode. Now you can also click the Finder face down here on the dock, but that will also open the Finder window, which might confuse them too. But then there you go, there's applications right here, and that's your applications list. Now, another way, what I like to show people, tell them click on their desktop, click on Go at the top, click on Applications or Utilities. That's applications too, but applications is probably what they're going to be needing. Inside of applications is your utilities folder. Now, this will be pretty much all your applications. Now, some applications can be installed at the user home directory level of the OS now, a file system. So usually they're not going to have this issue, but it depends how they were installed. Something you can do to find anything at that level is also from your desktop, from Finder, click on Go, click on Home. Now this here account won't have one because there's none installed at the user level, but there will be an applications folder right here in with your desktop documents, downloads, all these under your home directory level. So there's going to be another applications folder. That's where you can look too if you're missing a certain application or wonder where it's installed. But the most common spot, look in the system applications directory, which is just Go Applications, and look in there. Another way for people, trying to find applications is using the Launchpad. Now, Launchpad's down on the dock. Who knows if they'll have it on their dock? If they've removed it, it won't be there. But it works like an iPad or iPhone would. Now, I have noticed not all applications you install get added to your Launchpad. Most do, but certain ones just never show up there. So I don't know that I would trust going this route. Another way to find applications besides Launchpad is like I showed at first, clicking the Finder window and then clicking Applications here on the sidebar. Now, some users could have the sidebar not showing, which that is, you have to go under View. If you say Hide Toolbar, it won't show. So most likely it's like this. So hit Show Toolbar, and then that will show, and then it should be there. If it's not there, they could have taken it off, which I don't like that, but you can take it off, remove it. So you can go to Finder, Preferences, Sidebar, and check Applications to show that back up here on the sidebar. I don't like where it put it. It puts it at the bottom when you uncheck and check it again. But that's another way to get to your applications. How I was showing you earlier about the Launchpad, it won't include utilities. It's just stuff that are basic applications in your applications folder. So if you're looking for something in the utilities folder, you've got to go to applications and to utilities and find it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, but these are my most common ways to find all of your applications installed on your Mac. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching.